Here, and if you're on this page, it's either because me and you talked or you talked with one of my business partners, and we feel that we could be of assistance for you because what we specialize in is immersive marketing sales funnels, okay? And we do this with a proactive approach. Now, on this video, I want to first give you the big difference between proactive and reactive marketing and what it means for your business. And hopefully just from that, you'll get some big key takeaways of some of the things that maybe you could start doing to kind of bump more sales and volumes for your company, as well as give you some insights into some of the immersive marketing media that we use and some of the processes that we use. And if you want, implement them on your own. Of course, take these ideas and run with them. But if you'd like to have somebody assist you with them, then of course we'd love to chat for a more one-on-one a consultation to see if we're a good fit for each other. Okay, so real quick on this page, what I'm about to go over is the proactive versus reactive marketing, and these are a couple examples of real life proactive marketing concepts. Okay, as well as some of the immersive marketing content that you'll be able to see here. I won't spoil the fun for you. It's really neat once you click these. And at the bottom here, you'll get some more info from how you can get that content and, of course, applying for a consultation. So let's dig into it. Let's say that we have two of the exact same businesses. We'll use a cafe as an example. And you can view this as offline or online business. It doesn't matter. Okay? And the grand scheme of things, it all works out the same because your business is all about positioning, whether that's the offline world, location, or the online world where it comes to positioning in the sense of social media, SEO, Google, things like that. All right. And so this blue path here, we'll call this Facebook. Okay. We'll call it Google, whatever it might be. And it's also could be looked at as like a street highway for an offline world. And if your business is set up, all right, this is going to be reactive and this is proactive. If I had a cafe and I wanted to do a reactive marketing campaign, what it would mean is that I'm only going to react once I have customers react or show interest, right? So this is my marketing campaign right here with this little M. And it's positioned inside my business because I'm reacting to the people that come in the door, whether that's through Google, okay? Maybe it's through just a post that you did on your social media, and they come in the door because you're reacting to their interest, okay? This would be like Google AdWords. They're typing in, they have to type in something for them to see your Google AdWords. For your SEO rankings, maybe you're on the first page of Google, maybe you're on the fourth page. You're only going to get people in your doors when you're reacting to them typing all that stuff in, all right? So you're only hitting, and this is a proven point, that there's only 10% of people are truly can buy, will buy, and want to buy of the whole general population. You can Google buyer's pyramid. Chet Holmes has been able to document this over and over again across multiple industries. So this reactive marketing is only 10% of your marketing, all right? And proactive marketing is what we like to call the other part, all right? This is the big chunk, and what does that look like? All right, well, proactive marketing is placing your marketing on the outside of your business, and you're out there, that's a horrible stick man, but your proactive marketing is on the outside, and you're offering value, and you're telling people why they should come in your store. You're telling people why you should do business with them. You're educating them on some of the things that they're doing, and then they're coming in your store. So in this example, it might be offering free brownies for anybody that comes in and buys a coffee, right? And why would that be so great compared to this guy? Well, one, brownies, who doesn't want a brownie? And they're low cost and they're high value, okay? So I want you to be thinking right now, what is something that's of low cost but of high perceived value that you could be offering people out there in the public, which now with Facebook marketing is a great, easy way to get right in front of these people. And once you offer them this product or service or piece, it could be just as simple as a piece of information, like a 7 tips to insert the problem that you solve kind of thing that your business solves, or 3 things that you need to avoid when doing whatever it is that your business produces or solves a problem for. If you can give them that information when it comes time to do business with somebody in your industry, who do you think that they're going to do business with? You. So that's the big 30,000 foot overview, is putting your marketing on the outside, on the proactive part, right in front of the masses. And then you design a process to where first you have your marketing that's out here. And then whenever they get inside here, this guy's going to be speaking a little bit different language to them than this one out here. All right. And then let's say the cash register is right here and it's coming time to buy. This guy is going to be speaking a little bit different to the customer at that point, because people are at different parts of the buying process throughout the journey, okay, as they get more and more warmed up to your business. And what our marketing methods do is design an automated method to bring them down this process all the way to the purchasing point, okay? Now, some of these, depending on the industry that you're in, eventually the online market can do so much before we just turn them over to the offline lead where you do the face-to-face close, okay? And if you could automate that process from, cold lead to face, warm, hot, what would that do for your business? Would it be of benefit to you? And would you want to know how you could have that, all right? If so, then